What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time. A lot of you guys been asking, where have you been? Why aren't you posting videos? I got invited to play in this basketball league in Dallas. They're called the Dallas Skyline, which is a league called the TBL, which is a new league that was built for probably around 2-3 years ago. So yeah, I've been playing, I guess you could say semi-pro, you know, she knows. So yeah, I mean, if anybody's in Dallas, you want to check out a game, let me know. I'll send the link.
Dallas Skyline, number 5, Smith.
That's me, I'm number 5, y'all. This is my biggest fan right here. That's my number 1 fan. Get that right. Yeah, enough of that. That's kind of why I've been absent, so I just want to let y'all know why. Back to what we're going to be doing in this video. I've been seeing a lot of videos, you know, on the internet, or like, not internet, but social media. There's this video where whoever makes a weird noise and whoever the other person is, whoever laughs, I guess you would have to take like a punishment or something. So her punishment for me is if she doesn't laugh at my weird noise, she gets to show me look.
Yeah, y'all know I'm heavy-handed.
she gets to hit me with that, and I have to sip on this. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and I might take more shots because, you know, I'm not a wuss. But anyways, if I make a weird noise and I get her to laugh, she has to sip. Take her little sippy shots. You know how she be taking the shots. She gonna be doing it like that, y'all. So yeah, long intro. I'm sorry. I just wanted to fill you in what's going on in my life, and let's get straight to the video, y'all. Oh yeah, and if y'all still watching, it is 4:20, so you know, I'm feeling a little, you know, good in my element. So yeah, just want to throw that out there. So can we get this video started?
Okay.
I had to get a snack, y'all. Had to get ready, get prepared, because I'm not laughing. You ready?
I'm not laughing.
So you want me to go first or you?
You go first so I can understand what I gotta do.
Don't laugh, whatever I do. You ready?
Yes.
Bruh. All right, that's the start. Your turn.
No, you get hit. I didn't laugh. No, I don't want to hit y'all now.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, what's up? What's up with you?
You want some of this?
Nah, what's up with you?
Some?
That's foul. Hey, that's foul. That's nasty. Your turn.
So I just gotta make like a weird noise?
Make a weird noise.
Okay.
Make a weird face. You can do either one. But it has to be like a noise with it too.
Okay.
Boy, if you don't get...
Take a shot.
Yeah.
Take a shot. I didn't laugh. That was good though. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that was it. So now you understand. Wow. All right, you ready?
Yeah. That was stupid. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Don't say what's wrong with me. You just tweaked out the loud. Go,
Okay.
Stop. Get off me.
Okay.
He was going fast as hell. Dude. Ah!
I don't want to hit you. Take a shot. Take a shot.
Bruh.
Mom.
Take a shot.
All right. Stop. What you mean? It's my turn. You laughed.
I did not
I
laugh.
don't give you a pass.
I didn't laugh.
All right.
Okay. So now what?
It's your turn.
Okay. Let's see.
That's enough. It's enough. It's enough.
I feel so stupid.
Good. You look like a fool. That's the point. All right, let me go. I'll give you a pass because you really laughed.
Yeah.
At your own. All right, ready? All right, hold on. I'm trying to get the right thing. Hold on.
Yeah.
You didn't laugh. All right. Do you want to laugh?
No.
All right, then go.
Let's see. I can't think of another one.
Do one.
Yes, that's it. Yes, it is.
I promise you I didn't laugh. I promise you I didn't laugh. All right. Stop. It's not your turn, bro. Mom, stop. I don't count.
Yes, it does.
That does not count.
Take
You
a
are,
shot.
I know, you already missed one.
Take a shot.
Nope. All right. Let me see. All right. Meh.
Take your shot.
No, I don't have to do nothing. If you didn't laugh.
Aw. Okay, just laugh.
Then take a shot. No, that don't count because
I think we're just making stuff up because
No.
this is not there's no flow.
Well, you have to laugh. Then there'll be a flow. There was a flow in the beginning when you did that weird stuff. All right, so you gotta do a different noise.
Okay.
You are a tweaker. Come on. You need to take a shot anyways. Come on.
Damn it. Cut.
Bruh. It's my turn. What? Yeah, cut?
Cut.
No. All right. ¿Patines? ¿Patines? ¿Patines?
The patillon.
You laugh.
But you laugh.
No, you laugh.
Because that's my patillon.
Stop. Mom, take a shot.
No.
Stop doing that.
That's not my patillon.
You're being weird.
Patillon?
You laugh. Take your shot.
Laugh.
You laugh first.
Patillon.
Waiting on you. I got her, y'all. I got her back. Probably gonna do this 2 more times and then we'll call it a quits. Oh no, I'll call it a dub, but you know.
Nah, cause I won.
And I won too. We both, it's 2-2, I think.
No, see, did you take that? It's not right.
Well, the video's gonna show who's winning, so we'll figure it out at the end.
It's me.
All right. Anyways, go ahead.
Did you call it funny?
You can't make a noise. You can't. Come on.
Okay. I can't think of one.
Just do something weird. How do you feel? Just express it.
I always do weird shit.
Well, then do it for the camera.
Yeah.
Say it louder.
No.
All right, well then, I'm not gonna laugh.
Just stare.
It's my turn. You suck. All right, let's go. Yeah!
blah, blah.
No.
No.
Okay. Your turn. I'm gonna get her to laugh, y'all. Come on.
I can't think of nothing else.
What? Yeah, that's because you have to. What the fuck? Where did that even come from?
Came from my
Yeah, I told you that.
It just came to me.
What
It just came
the
to me.
fuck is that?
It came from my soul.
All right, bro, you want that one, Mom.
Go ahead.
I mean,
I don't even want to hit you.
you want to hit me, you're not sneaky. But all right, Mom, stop. That's messed up. Stop. See, now you got me flinching. That's enough. That's enough.
You having PTSD?
Yeah.
I never even hit you. I did kick you in your back though before.
What?
Please stop. You're giving up too much info. Let me take the shot, please.
All right.
Or the sip. For real, don't.
Sip it.
Sorry. That's nasty.
Nasty.
Mom, stop. What is that called?
Makers.
Makers? If any of y'all take drink makers, there's something wrong with you. You're dangerous. All right, y'all. This is probably gonna be the last one. So it's on me. Let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen, Captain.
Right. You ready?
You can't even do it, baby.
Me.
No, you
I didn't get you to
didn't.
laugh.
No. Because I feel bad for you. I'll laugh.
All right, you
That's
got
what I
it.
do for you.
All right, you got it.
All right.
So that was the laugh? You made me laugh?
Yes.
Anyways, we gotta go one more. No, baby.
Oh, no, Pete. Oh, no, Pete. Oh, no, Pete. Damn it.
Let's go. Go ahead. Look, we gonna end it on that. I had to get one. Oh, it was the Nopi.
It was the Norby. It was the Norby. God damn it, it was Brosy. The fuck is Brosy?
It's a wrap. All right, y'all. We ended that the right way. I was kind of, I wasn't as funny. I don't make weird noises like that, so it's more.
I wasn't in the mood.
It's more of what I be saying that be making her laugh, as you can see on the last clip.
Oh, Norby.
But let me know what y'all think of the video. Let me know who y'all think won, or is the funnier person. Clearly, no, me. You know, she's not funny. But yeah, man. Appreciate the love y'all been showing, man. Like, subscribe, comment on this video. Turn your post notifications on too, so you know when I post my videos. But hey, man. Appreciate the love, and I'll see y'all soon.